Hey there, in today's experiment I'm going to show you how to make a 4-burner stove in less than a minute using something you probably already have in your house for fuel. Hand sanitizer. And we're going to do it in a muffin tin. So let's get started. So just to show how quick this thing works, all I did was squirt about 5 squirts of the hand sanitizer in each one of these, and it took a little over 5 minutes, which you'll see in a moment, for 2 cups of water to come to a boil. So this thing is hot enough to boil water, to cook, and to even heat you for a short while. One of the quickest, easiest, and hottest stoves that you can make in less than a minute. How long does it take to squirt your sanitizer in? The sanitizer costs less than $1 at Walmart, or if you go to the dollar store, you can get it for $1.25. One of the bigger bottles for $1.25 will fill all 4 of those cups. So you can use it as a 4-burner stove. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. We really appreciate your support. And share this with your friends and family, because if a power outage comes, probably the quickest thing that you can grab is your muffin tins and some hand sanitizer, which most of you probably have in your car or in your pocketbook. So with that, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.